Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make canvas at home using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need unprimed cotton duck fabric, ideally 10 ounces or heavier, along with sturdy wooden stretcher bars. Don't forget your gesso, a staple gun, sharp scissors, and a reliable measuring tape. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for success from the very beginning. Now, let's prepare our fabric. Begin by cutting your cotton duck fabric, ensuring you add at least 4 inches of extra material on all 4 sides beyond your desired frame size. This extra fabric provides enough allowance for stretching. Next, iron out any wrinkles or creases thoroughly. A smooth, flat surface is crucial for an even stretch. Lay the fabric face down on a clean, flat workspace, ready for the next step. With your fabric ready, it's time to stretch. Assemble your stretcher bars into a sturdy frame. Carefully center your fabric over the frame, making sure there's an even overhang on all 4 sides. Begin stapling the fabric to the back of the frame, starting from the middle of each side and working outwards. Pull the fabric firmly to achieve a taut surface, avoiding any slack. Neatly fold and staple the corners for a professional finish. Finally, let's prime your new canvas. Apply 2 to 3 thin, even coats of gesso to the stretched fabric. It's important to let each coat dry completely before applying the next one. For an extra smooth painting surface, you can lightly sand the canvas between coats. Gesso creates a fantastic, non-absorbent barrier, protecting your artwork and ensuring your paints adhere beautifully. Now your homemade canvas is ready for your creative masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.